know you think she's sweet as
teaspoon of
candy.
olive oil,
I know you wanna be with her, but Josie got a
1.5 spoon sugar
reputation to
powder,
scratch behind that purr.
1 tablespoon of
She's
rosemary,
got her little game perfected. She'll let you think you have control, and then one day when you least expect it, she'll steal away your soul. It's so easy when you think you're winning, but she's got herself another plan. You think you're being
cup
clever
of
like a
water. Let's see
modern
how much
man,
is
but
required.
Josie has the upper hand. I know you're not to blame, and there's no shame in falling for her siren. But while you're still a man, you better get out while you can. It's so easy when you think you're winning, but she's got herself another plan. You may think you're being clever like a modern man, but Josie has the upper hand. It's so easy when you think you're winning, but she's got herself another plan. You may think you're being clever like some kind of modern man, but Josie has the upper hand. You may think you're being clever like a modern man, but Josie has the upper hand.
So here already I have chopped for half an hour. Roll them. Now I'm going to put that. So somebody they like to make the salty one, so you can put the salt. This is special for the Chinese New Year. Every year we are making for this. That is style like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This way. Let me try. So now already I have ready the oil and on the pan with the medium high. So now the oil is ready. To the deep fry. Now it's ready. Let's see how it turned out. Okay, see you next time. I hope you like my recipe. Enjoy.